Hi everyone, today I have a surprise Santa Claus minions. Let's come see. The first one, we have Santa Claus minions from M&M Candy. Yeah, hoo-hoo. Yeah, cuckoo-cuckoo-cuckoo-cha-cha. Whoop. Whoop. Wow. What is this? What? His minion. Hi everyone, I'm Minion. And I think hi everyone, I'm Minion. He's so cute. Yes, the first one. And the next one. The next one is here. Hi everyone, I'm Minion. Whoopa. Now let's go see. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, I can see the first time. Yeah, he's moved. A little smooth. And the next one. Wow. He's Pokeball. Now let's come see. Wow, wow. Here. Yes. He's a minion. The last one, minion. We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See? Hi everyone. Wow. What is this? Yes, Pinky from Madagascar. This toy. Here. Now let's come see again our minion today. We have a lot of minions. That's the last one. Wow, I love minions! I love minions!